Hello, and I'm hoping we're live, but technology has failed me and I failed technology. It's a horrible relationship, a bit like Shiv Sena and BJP in Maharashtra. Maybe they're a little better. But I want to rant about something else because, as you know, I'm a scientist, a social scientist, and I have lots of time on my hand. Was going through one of my favorite relatives, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, and I'm most fascinated by the limbs of that beautiful creature. And I found out, and this is what they say, research has proven that millions of years ago this happened, that we all know the hands are small and all that. Their hands are like Indian men's legs, really small and thin. But their legs, which look really proportionately muscular, are not that strong either. And apparently, if they ran fast, they would break. The legs would actually crumble and break, and the body would probably, just dissipate completely. Which reminds me a lot of myself at 49, or my good friend Kunal. So I thought, there's a correlation between dinosaur and us. So the origin of the species starts with the dinosaur and with the Tyrannosaurus Rex, as far as Indian males are concerned. That's my social scientific contribution to the world. And now let's get on with introducing our guest on Cyrus Says. I'm the only person who uses pomp and splendor in his own name since Arnob and Donald. One will be gone, and one we don't know, but may also have a little more trouble than he thinks. Here they are. We got Silvery, our producer. We have Amit, always pontificating from all kinds of directions. And now Kajal Srinivasan at Lafa LOL Rakshak has joined us. What the hell is that?
It's LOL Rakshak Cyrus.
LOL Rakshak. You
She
got
is the
me.
protector of LOLs.
Yes,
That's what I assume that means.
it is there. That is it.
When I first saw it, now the first couple of times I read it as LOL Rakshas. And I was like the monster of LOLs.
That's what the right wing calls me on Twitter.
Or it could be the angst of the female comedian vis-a-vis the male comedian.
Oh
Who
God, no,
knows?
let's not go there, Cyrus.
Right now, you're picking your battles. You want to go anti-right and save the male comedian for later. Ooh, now that you mention it, is that better? The sexism in comedy in India, in our small little
Um,
world.
well, do we have time to go into the entire
We
segment?
have 40 minutes. Okay, I'll let you off the hook. Fair enough. Let's get on with it. We've got lots of interesting stories to talk about. I personally would like to talk about dinosaurs, but there is, in a sense, a correlation again between dinosaurs and this gentleman who may be running out of office. Oh, well, Amit, he will, right? Nothing's going to happen, right? In
Well,
the
who
next
knows?
12
So
hours.
can I just say this? I'm reading about what's going on, right now, and I'm a little worried for a number of reasons, right? These might be paranoid or what have you, but okay. So Donald Trump is not going to be at the inauguration. He is running away like a little wimp at like 9 o'clock in the morning. He's flying to say he's going to go to his. You know what his
Doing a
rationale
farewell
is?
at the airport, right? Like a
He's going
benefit
to do a
match.
farewell at the
Yeah.
airport, but basically he does not. If he travels after 12 o'clock, he needs Joe Biden's permission to use the plane.
Ooh,
Okay, but if he goes at 9 a.m., it is still Air Force One while he is president, and that's what the fucker wants to do, right?
that's
Which is
so Indian. That's so
Yeah,
bureaucratic and red
exactly.
tapey. That's us.
Yeah.
Somewhere
he,
there's
he
a Verma involved.
he is such a donkey, right? I mean, like, but so he's running away at 9 a.m. All none of the Congress people, right? Nobody is going to see him off. They're all going to be at the inauguration. Okay, it's like so Mitch McConnell, Kevin McCarthy, all these Republicans who have been
The
running
pro
after
ones.
him and just basically like
So
enabling this guy for the
let me
longest time.
interrupt. So is that we look at it from this perspective? I know what you're saying that they've seen the light, but what about the fact that the rats are deserting the sinking ship because they didn't desert him all along, and he's
Yeah,
had plenty of
Yeah.
desertful moments,
no,
but
the
nothing
rats is
happened.
the right
Yeah.
word. So
Yeah.
the reason I'm worried though is like you saw what at the Capitol, right? I mean, like the people who went and like destroyed that place, they didn't care Republican or Democrat. Their main chant was "Let's hang Mike Pence." Right, the vice president. So I'm a little concerned that Donald Trump not being there, does that set these people up as like a large target? Because now everybody who these idiots
I don't want
hate
to sound
is
Shakespearean,
there.
but I immediately got the Caesar's wife reference in my head. Vis-a-vis Mike Pence and Donald Trump. All
So
right.
some new footage also came out just I think yesterday or day before yesterday of some part of the mob that have broken into the Capitol inside the main Capitol office
Uh-huh.
at Nancy Pelosi's desk. I think they were sitting,
Huh.
and
Taking
so over there,
selfies.
yeah, he's like taking selfies
No, that's
and
been there
taking
from day
photos
one, bro.
of documents. They're taking photos of documents,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and a direct quote they're saying is, "Okay, there's got to be something in here we can use against them." I'm like, dude, what are you thinking?
Well, it's these people are delusional and they're
Yeah.
led by a delusional cat. It's just it's
Hey
insane.
guys, You're going on a delusional philosophy. You're overrating this experience.
Uh-huh.
These are just shoots and louts of the world. All across the world, they males of a certain type who have
Mm.
nothing much to do with their lives, have no meaning in their life, they have no bills to really pay for some reason, and they have no responsibilities to go back to. And this is what they do. Males have to be gainfully employed or shot. There are only two ways to
Cyrus.
deal with them.
No, Cyrus, I'm going to give this to that there were ample enough females who broke into the capsule as well.
But those are
Yeah.
male females. I tell you, those are male females. Only female.
No, actually, yeah, you're right. The one protester who did get killed was,
The first one.
yeah,
And she
she
was an
was,
Air Force vet, if we
yeah,
discussed it, I
Yeah,
think, as well. Yeah.
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So much for
And
that. Air Force vet, Olympic team swimming champion. I mean, yeah, they're everywhere. I mean, that's a little scary.
Yeah, no,
There's
but
no one
also,
type.
so what's really scary about this whole thing, right, is you look at the FBI and like their investigations right now around this stuff, right? They are worried. They're investigating, like, the National Guard, who's in charge of protecting this entire thing. They're
Hmm.
investigating them for people who might be Trump sympathizers or whom.
Because they were
So it
caught
seems so.
off guard, to use a pun, or
Yeah,
really?
no, I mean, like they would, they want to make sure that nobody disrupts the inauguration, right? So they're investigating those people. There have been 2 or 3 people who have been arrested because they're carrying ridiculous amounts of weaponry in Washington D.C. right now.
But
Like,
nowhere near the location.
no, one guy was going into the location. He went. Apparently, it's being claimed as an accident
Hmm.
that he was a private investigator and he had license for outside of Washington for this stuff. But he went there with like 3 guns and like 500 bullets.
But what kind of intelligence? Was he working at
That
McDonald's just
that's
before
what
the
I'm saying.
evidence investigated my foot? Huh.
Yeah. It's just like
I mean, this is like same as a guy walking to the airport saying, "Oh, I forgot to take the gun out." Yeah,
that's exactly what that
I'm
is.
basically a shooter,
Yeah.
Olympic level, huh?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. I mean, like I have a tough time believing some of this stuff, right?
Yeah.
But it's going to be amazing, right? I mean, like I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I'm hoping that this is like the end of
Tomorrow for us. Well, tonight
well,
for
tonight
us.
for us,
Yeah.
tonight for us.
Amit, if you were
Do you
there,
think? Do you think there'll be rioting, and with the 3,000 troops, etc.,
100%,
plus police and all? I mean,
100%.
how many people do you need to control a situation?
So rioting will happen in the U.S. tonight. The question is how bad and where.
But in Washington, or you're saying in pockets all over?
I don't know where. I see that is the question.
Will the Shiv Sena join it? Famous for
uh,
riots in India. No,
Well,
just
yeah, I
kidding.
mean,
Just
like,
kidding.
who knows, man? I mean, like, there's so much right-wing sympathy for Trump in India also. It's kind of insane, right? Kangana wrote in favor of
Stop.
him,
When you
right?
take Kangana's name, awkward pause for all of us. Because why? Yeah.
Huh? Well, I mean, like, because, again, dude, I mean, like, she's doing her nonsense all the time as well, right? But
What
I
did
mean,
she
like,
say?
well, so right now she wanted to cut off Saif Ali Khan's neck, no?
Why?
Because he
For
made
scandal.
Tandav.
Oh,
She
but
did
it's a
that.
fiction. It's a work of fiction.
Yeah, no, but she actually put out that these people should be, we should, what did she say? She said something like these guys should be
yeah, something
executed or
like that.
some shit
So
like
if
Uh,
that.
I make a
Their
movie on
head.
Lenin,
no.
I'm a Marxist. I mean, what's the point here?
So she said that 99 times someone forgave someone in the mythology, but the 100th time the head should be cut off.
This is mythological rule.
This
Exactly.
is
99
Kangana's
पे
rule.
कुछ नहीं हो सकता मगर 100 पे जरूर काट लूंगा आपका
Yeah.
छोटा छोटा पीस.
He's made some very strong comments against Biden, which I'm quite surprised is still out there on Twitter.
Well, I hope the visa is revoked because when they want to go to America, people should remember this. The first thing is, oh, you don't like Biden, out.
He said something like, he forgets everything. They're pumping drugs into him. He's
He's
almost
almost
survived
80, for
long.
God's sake.
No,
Cut
but
him some
she,
slack. We've
no,
had
but
90 plus here.
no, she's doing all the same delusional crap that all the right wing
Oh,
on the US is
Can
doing.
I?
It's the same
Is it
nonsense.
just to get attention? Sometimes you just love
It
the sound of
is.
your controversial voice. So you put your nail inside the bum of everybody around you for no reason whatsoever.
So
Or is there some sort of belief?
no, I
I,
don't know if there's. Sorry, Kachal, please.
I think it detracts from the government getting criticism. No, it's so much easier to take off at Kangana rather than the government. So it's better for them.
Well, that
I
is
blame
true.
Sean Penn. When he started mouthing off about everything, left of center, of course, but they started taking themselves too seriously. You're an artist and an actor, and occasionally, yes, say something if you have to, but every day you got your Twitter, you got your thing, and now you're the spokesperson for the universe.
I don't
Like,
think you can lay it as Sean Penn. If you want to go down that route, then you got to lay it at Muhammad Ali, which I would disagree with vehemently.
no, but Muhammad Ali was, that was
He's
like
the
the
first
pioneers who will allow
popular.
him.
He was
But
one of
then
the.
it
He was
starts
the.
becoming, the white fringe thinking, okay, now we have to redress the wrongs of our forefathers, and I'll show how, I'll do that. I'm not against it from a point of view of philosophy, but I'm just thinking after some time, just do the acting and leave that, the philosophy to everybody else. You can't pontificate about everything. She
Well,
gets confused after some time. She just needs to hear her own voice. But she's an actress primarily. Isn't that her goal in life?
It is.
Or a
So I
builder,
think
sorry, a builder and then an actress.
first builder, yeah.
Yeah.
No, so this is what I would say about her thing, right? I mean, like, and to show some sympathy, not too much because I'm not very sympathetic, but positions harden the more people push back against you, right? And she's taken, like, I mean,
Defense.
like, whenever she says something, she gets a lot of crap from the opposite side, and because of that her positions harden. And the same thing you see on the left, right? People on the left, when they make a certain statement and a lot of people give them crap against that, their positions start hardening, and when positions harden, there's no meeting of minds,
No, but
right?
the
Then
only
people are,
difference,
But
huh?
now can I?
the
Sorry, yeah.
difference between the left and the right
Hmm.
is that I sometimes wonder how the right wing attacks the left wing because they got to move the leftists out of the way. Leftists attack leftists.
Hmm.
You know,
Leftists attack right as well. And I mean, like, so I was listening to something today in the morning, right?
The left are
It was,
cannibals and the rights aren't.
no,
We just saw Mike
definitely.
Pence and all slowly
yeah,
scuttling the ship. I think it's just human nature. It's not about philosophy.
yeah.
You see whether the situation is in your favor, the breeze is blowing this way or that. That's it.
So I was listening to something this morning. It was talking about, like, the Twitter bans around all of the right wing stuff that's going on right now, right?
Which I'm
And
against.
I'm somewhat
Against.
against it as well.
I'm against the philosophy of a free platform. It's a free platform. It's like a phone or whatever
Well,
else. I mean, just
so
we just have to suffer it. Otherwise, how are we a democracy?
but Twitter is not a democracy. Twitter is a privately owned company that has its own right to
No, but
police its
as a
own
privately
content.
owned company, they're saying this premise is that we are a platform and nothing more.
Huh.
Now
So
suddenly they're
that's the
indicating as
question.
they, yeah, it's like a living organic sort of
Right.
situation where they're coming up with it now.
So that is the issue, right? But now the thing is that, but the point I was trying to make, right, is that this stuff is not as easy as people make it out to be. If you're Twitter or Facebook, in some level, yeah, you have to be a free platform and you want to be, right? So Twitter has taken a tremendous amount of shit from people on the left for leaving Donald Trump and his stuff on, right? For leaving all of his tweets up, for letting him go where he wants to. Twitter is also taking a tremendous amount of shit from the right because they are labeling some things, right? Now the if you're in the position of a Twitter or a Facebook or any kind of platform, right, part of your job is to take shit from all sides, right? But at the same time, what is your responsibility when actual violence is being incited? These are not simple
There's a
questions.
phrase in Chase Urdu. It's a poison chalice. All right, what are you going to do? The
Hmm.
moment you decide to have a freedom of expression and a free platform to express yourself, how can you start? I mean, it's a paradox after that. I'm sorry, we have to take it. We have to take it on the chin. Otherwise, you don't have it. And then you just say, look, it doesn't exist. We have this with rules. You want to be there, the world is rules.
So
So
there's a guy who
from
I disagree with often. He's a fairly well-known tech commentator or business commentator. Guy named Scott Galloway. He does a podcast called Pivot with Kara Swisher, who I think is amazing. But Scott Galloway is an idiot. But he had one interesting point that he
every
was.
idiot has one good idea. Yeah.
Yeah, so he had an interesting point that he was making around this, right?
Columbus's was that America was India. Go on, go on.
No, so he was talking about that basically that platforms like Twitter, right, when they allow for very foolish or very kind of sorry, I'm forgetting the exact phrase, whatever. I mean, like, it is when you allow for when you allow for absurdity on your platform, and when you allow people to believe in absurdities, then atrocities are not far behind, right? And it is true. We can look at that in India, right? I mean, like, we can see this with the Munawar thing that's going on right now, right?
Yeah.
There is a tremendous amount of belief in the absurdity around the fact, like, I mean, this dude has been arrested for something he did not do, which he might do, is basically all thought crime, future crime bullshit, right? On a law which never should have been applied to him in the first place, right?
And
So
it
the
all comes
absurdities are being believed, and because of that, the atrocities against people like him are being committed.
fair enough. One may
I
lead
don't.
to another. Yeah, go on, Kajal.
I don't know if absurdities are already being believed, or you're just giving people a reason and letting them accept it.
No, but I think they believe this. I think they're true believers.
I
What you're
don't know
leaving
about
out,
that.
the main
Not
point.
all of them, but there are a section of them who are true believers. I mean, like, when you look at extended families of ours who believe in this stuff. I'm sure all of us have extended families who believe in this nonsense, right? They're believers. They're not cynical about this. They're not, they're not trying to. They're not performative. They
Yeah.
believe that this stuff is true.
Yeah.
There are
One
kooks who believe it,
Yeah.
but there are also people who like having a justification to make them more nasty.
Hmm. Absolutely. No, there are bad actors here, no doubt
Okay,
about it. There are people who are.
let's look at it clinically. You guys are getting emotional and you're prejudiced.
No, we're agreeing
Maybe in
with
the
each
right
other.
way. The point is no. The point is one man's absurdity is another man's truth. What can you do? Either I my point is just I'm just take a step back and look at it from outside, for like you're an alien, and you have to say, look, you have a platform and you want to freely express yourself. Then we got to take neo-Nazis, we got to take right-wing Hindutva, whatever. We got to take nutcases who want to, talk about killing children or abortion or whatever. All this is fair. We can't have it both ways. It just doesn't work that way.
No, but so again, I'm going to quote this guy who I really don't like, Scott Galloway, right?
But someone you don't like, you really don't
I
like.
no, because again, he makes the opposite, or he makes the opposite of this argument, and he's got like some point to it, but I disagree with him fundamentally, right? But the idea that you are guaranteed freedom of speech, you're not guaranteed freedom of reach, right? Twitter is reach, it's not speech. Nobody's stopping you from saying shit, right? But you are not guaranteed that that Twitter is going to amplify you.
So there's some clear, okay, I get that point, but yeah, there's some clear cases in our minds, okay, where someone's a child, pedophile, whatever, and we don't want him to spread his gospel of nonsense. Oh, they use that phrase. But there's also so much ambivalence. So where are we going to draw the line? For some people, Kashmir is this. For some people, Kashmir is that. For example, Arab Israeli, which side are you going to take? They're both perspectives to that if you want to push the literature out. So I don't know.
I agree with you. I
How do
think
you
that
police it correctly and fairly?
You
Tell me
can't-
honestly.
Everyone has a different line. George Carlin has a great set about this, about freedom of speech. He's like, I believe I have the right to say whatever I want. I also believe that if you don't like it, you have the right to kill me. There is no line.
That's the reality. Free speech. Oops, Munawar. We hope you come back safe and sound. This is a blot on India. I'm surprised. It'll start becoming a human rights thing. We'll look shameful. We'll become the Donald Trump country of 2021.
we
You take
are.
a
It
small
already is.
comedian, a small event, and you make it out and make him into what? The dragon of the country. Dragon is worshipped in our neighbor country. You know what I mean? Really. Kajal, how much would he made on that? I just want to think cost to company, benefits. I wish he had my dad as his dad growing up. First
No,
he'd tell me, Kitla,
I didn't hear that.
6
I didn't
lakh,
hear that.
2 lakh, kitlo din, 15, 10 lakh. Yeah. Okay, we're joking about it, but this is ridiculous. We're nearly ending
Yeah.
Jan now. Republic Day is coming, a day when you got to look forward to how great the country is. And boom, we have these stupid things. It may sound small in the context of farmer agitation and poverty and the vaccine, perhaps the WhatsApp, not the app not working here and there, and etc. Corruption, all the problems we do have. But in
No,
these
but
small,
it's fundamental, right? It's fundamental freedom, right? I mean, like when
no, it's the
somebody,
small guy getting bullied, which
Yeah.
at the end of the
Yeah.
day is, just the biggest crime. Because what's the point of being in any
Yeah.
kind of society if the small guy is just trodden on every day for no reason?
Also, where does it stop? Like right now, they're saying that the UP police is trying to investigate the Munawar thing. Now, what if tomorrow the West Bengal police decides that's
Shouldn't he
no,
be allowed
I
to
want to do
perform for
this.
the UP police first before they make a judgment?
Exactly.
ridiculous.
Sure. Yeah.
shouldn't be allowed to perform somewhere before somebody can arrest
Yeah.
him for potentially telling possible jokes in the
absolutely.
future.
Exactly. So there's no end. Tomorrow, some
Honestly.
other state will decide. Okay, today I want to take offense.
I'm
Today I
feeling
want to take
scared that finally all our comedians will go to China to get a neutral audience. This is not fun.
offense.
What are we thinking here? Hey guys, we have to take a quick break, but we haven't discussed the superb epic victory at the Gaba, the destruction of
Yeah.
Fortress Gaba, the Brisbane for the unenlightened. And Kajal was calling me up from the morning because we every day during the Australian summer from November till January yesterday, every day Kajal and I on the ball, 5 in the morning, sometimes earlier because of rain affected days. We had to start earlier. We were up and we were watching the boys. And we supported the boys in blue, then the boys in white. Pink ball, white ball, red ball, color no bar. Our boys did it. We take a break, then we'll come back. I see you don't care about cricket, Kajal. Come back. I just want to quickly talk about, everybody's talking about Brisbane and all that, but what irritates me, Amit, can I vent a bit?
Please,
Do I have the floor for an hour?
it's your show, dude. It's called Cyrus Says.
My wife forwards me a thing about Rahane and the boys doing well. I've never hit a woman in my life, but I went berserk. I said, how dare you? You don't let me put the TV on at 5. You don't let me watch the game. You want me to wear all kinds of things on my ears, and you don't let me talk about the game. You disrespect the match. You have no idea who anybody is. When we are saying, come on, Shardul, you're saying, who's Shardul? I mean, I was so angry. I said, now when you win, all these Indians who pretend to like cricket in the last 10 minutes of a huge victory suddenly become cricket lovers. And I have to listen to them. This is the Mandiria Bedi moment of my life. Everybody's freaking going crazy. Hey, Cyrus, what do you think? Great game. Fuck you. Fuck you all. We care much more. Our levels of caring, our layers of caring are much higher than yours, you moron. We sit for the whole calendar year. Whatever time is Australia, West Indies, New Zealand, Pakistan, India. Okay, there's no Pakistan right now. But everywhere we follow the damn team. So for us, sitting through there, winning against the grain from left field, almost as you see in America, we won on the last day, from nowhere, and with six superstars injured. Six unknown
Yeah.
people, a beautiful romantic story. Siraj, rickshaw driver's son, father dies while he's in Australia. He can't go back because of COVID. He cries in his room, and then he delivers 5 for 71 in the first innings. Washington Sundar, morons are saying, oh, he's Christian from Washington. No, he's a Tamil kid. He's a kid whose father's mentor's name was Washington. Read, figure the romance of all these wonderful guys who just delivered, stood up tall. These are the stories India needs to hear, not that WhatsApp crap you guys are going to talk about next. And so, if you don't really like cricket, fuck off. Don't call me up and tell me victory. It means nothing to you. It's ridiculous. It's like going to a prostitute instead of working really hard on a relationship and finally having sex. So fuck off. I retract my last remark. I don't want any sexist comments, male or female,
But-
whatever.
Yeah, but good match, huh? Good match.
I'll slap
I didn't
you.
watch it.
Silvery, at number 5, who came into bat for India? No, come on. You know your cricket, no? Come on, I'll
Yeah.
spend the whole day behaving like a prick.
Uh,
I can be Donald Trump. Who batted at 5?
Kohli. No, I know he was out of the match.
No, don't try to hide under comedy because the pain is tremendous. My wife forwarding me cricket. The woman hates the game. They can't pronounce a jinkya. I mean, what are you talking about? Oh, I could have had a heart attack. Kunal, hey, we won the match in one day. It's a 5-day test
It was
match.
the last day, no? Yesterday.
Yeah, but he meant like in one day. He makes these comments, these strange comments all the time.
Ah.
Because he picks up words on the internet, something is 2 lines, epic victory. So somebody says epic victory. Do you know what it means? 32 years, nobody beat them in Brisbane. It's an unbelievable, I don't know in basketball what you'll call it, but it's like the Golden State Warriors in their peak, finally losing a game in their peak stadium.
Oh, yesterday, Warriors beat Lakers. Lakers right now are, without a question, the best team. Warriors are not all that good. They won yesterday. They beat the
So
Lakers.
that's what I mean. Against the run of play, when you have that, it's an underdog winning. Yeah, come on, the mighty Australia. And now look at where we've reached. But enough of that, because everyone's pontificating about cricket. Kajal, would you like to say something?
Yeah, apparently I tweeted about it yesterday, and Twitter thinks I'm a killjoy, that I don't want people to have fun.
What did you say?
I just said that people don't. Did you realize that the entire Arnav Gate issue just died yesterday because of the match?
I think
that's
our
a
show
good
died
point.
yesterday because of the match. At least I was watching it while doing the show.
No, but you're right. That's true, actually. Everybody stopped talking about the only thing that everybody was talking about was the match.
But Amit, I'll give you
Amit.
that. In the last hour or so, when Rishabh Pant was going berserk, and then Washington Sundar and him put on that little stand, which of course none of you care about. Okay, fair enough. We won the game at that point, but you guys have no idea what all happened in the 4 test matches and the 3 one-day games and the 320s before that and the IPL bubble and the things outside that happened, living in these hotels and away from family, blah 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 blah. Natarajan didn't see his kid. A kid is born. He's just not from an affluent family. He hasn't seen the child for 7 months. 7 months ago, the child was born. I mean, these are the stories. My mother was in tears. We're sitting and looking at all this and in tears of joy. And I'm thinking, this is what makes you happy to be Indian. You have to understand and invest in this. It's not so bad because these kids are great. They showed dum, they showed courage. They are all mixed. There's Muslim, there's Hindu, there's this, there's that. They're all together, different castes, different classes, south, north. It's really a team. This is India. This is what should be parliament. Not those bunch of jokers with the red light going, fuck you all. I hate all those guys. I love my cricketers. I wish they were given all the money of India and then like 10% for the rest of us. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go back. Let's calm down. Kajal, calm down.
All right. Let's get to the
It's
next.
exactly how you feel about hip hop, yeah, guys. Come on.
Well, I like hip hop. Sort of, kind of. Snoop Doggy Dogg, man.
The
Who
moment
was
I
your
realized-
favorite? Your favorite was Heavy D, right? If I'm not mistaken.
You got a good memory, brother. You got a good memory. Buster Rhymes, Tupac. See, I know my time. I know my time. I may not know my rhyme. I know my time. Oops, ouch. God, that's an aggressive situation to be in if you dare take on the wrong people about not liking rap. All right.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah,
let's get
you
from
have to
rap
like
to
hip hop.
crap.
No, you have to like hip hop. You can't say you don't like hip hop.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
One sec. Mom, you can cross now because it's fine. That's my mother making a entrance saying she wants to rule. Everybody's scared of my son who needs a ruler. There's no ruler here. I am the ruler. All right. She's not laughing. Women in my house never smile. And you know why. Sorry. So let's get back to that big story. We
Yeah.
sort of missed it, bro. Who wants to put it in context a little bit? The WhatsApp
Yeah.
conversation.
So a bunch of about a bunch of chats, WhatsApp chats between Arnab Goswami and the ex CEO of BARC, which calculates the TRP system basically. The ex CEO of BARC, his name is Partho Dasgupta. So a chat between Partho Dasgupta and Arnab
He's half
Goswami.
Bengali. You show respect. Partho Das
Okay.
Gupta. Carry on.
So chats between WhatsApp chats between Arnab and Partha Dasgupta got leaked, basically revealing that they both Partho would give him like insider information about the TRP and the kind of ratings that his
Yeah,
channel
but I felt
Republic
a
channel
lot of it
can
was a lot
expect.
of like a Delhi conversation, you know. If you know your Delhi guys, it was like, यार PM को पहचानता है, आजा आजा मिल सकता हूँ,
Yeah,
no
exactly.
problem. अब कल क्या होगा, तेरे को पता है, अब आजा, मैं दिखाऊंगा. And you know, it was a lot of boasting and bragging.
Yeah.
From I went through the entire thing actually. I went to Srinivas Jain's production. As you know, NDTV is no fondness for Republic TV, so I said, let me see theirs. And but he was quite normal. He wasn't trying to be super. He wasn't ornamifying it. Um,
He's a reasonable guy.
in
He's one of the
very
better.
rare. It's a very rare
Yeah,
voice to hear. And honestly, you're right. Absolutely, we should write down the three or four reasonable and
yeah.
sort of just
But
follow
I
them.
would rather watch him than Rajdeep, to be honest with you. I mean, like, I feel like he is more.
I,
There's a degree of like,
if you saw Rajdeep with the cricket show yesterday,
huh.
he was at his best.
No, but Rajdeep loves cricket, no? And so Rajdeep
Philip
is.
Sandhu
It's
said,
not
no,
that
no,
Rajdeep.
you see, politics corrupts even the journalists.
Yeah,
Not in a moral way, but you can't help leaning left or right. You
it's
can't
the
help
same.
it.
It's the same hardening of position things we were talking about
Yeah,
earlier. Now Rajdeep takes so
yeah.
much shit that his positions get hardened,
Bro, but if
right?
you look
So
at his life and what he's been through, he set up a company, then he was sort of pushed out of a company.
yeah,
We're still not fully sure why. So that burns you a little bit.
I get it. Yeah,
And I'm sure if you scratch the surface, there's no question. There's no poster of the lotus in the house.
yeah.
I can tell you that. But
I'm
yeah,
sure.
I'd just like to add, from
yes,
a
please.
female perspective, Srinivasan Jen is a little
Hot.
easy on the eyes. Yeah, totally.
Oh, so he was with my brother-in-law in school in Rishi Valley. So they grew up together and stuff. So he's very always asks about Aisha, which is scary because I try to forget my wife, and then you go there, you're happy, and boom, oh, how's Aisha, and and this and that and whatever. But yeah, he has gracefully sort of aged. Um,
He's hot, like any age. It doesn't matter.
really.
No,
So you're the beard girl, huh? You like the beards.
I think I do like beards.
No, I thought women either like beards or don't. It's been my experience always when I ask them, frankly, I always try to work hard on women who are not in love with to get more stuff from them.
So
I
there's
don't
a
know if you
level
guys do
of
the same.
beard that you like. Okay, so at some point it just goes very sage-ish. So
So
there
you want
has
that
to be
intellectual touch in your good-looking man. He's
intellectual
got to
touch.
have that
Yes.
Plato's ideal of mind and body together. So the rugged frontiersman and the beard of the astute figure who can think well. And yeah, I like your thinking. You're expecting too much. You're expecting too much.
But what do you think? Sorry to come back. What do you think about you were saying that you went through the thing? What were your thoughts on the chats and stuff like that?
A lot of it is just like hyperbole. Okay,
Hmm.
there are a few very strange things like knowing about Balakot before the thing. I mean, if that's to be, I mean,
Yeah.
that's just a little ridiculous because why would this kind of
That's a
sensitive
security
information,
concern, right?
which should not be known to any member of parliament, I wouldn't think not even to BJP members of parliament,
Hmm.
because this is something, I mean, you're
Yeah.
attacking a country or whatever. There's no way it goes outside a room. Am I right? All
Yeah.
across the world, they sit in a war room and they three guys, I'm presuming,
Yeah.
Tom, Dick, and Harry, with Harry doing most of the work. So, how does he know that? I mean, and then
And
he's
why is
talking.
he gossiping to all his WhatsApp friends about it?
The
Well,
bragging part we know is in his personality, so that goes with that. But I know Smriti Irani, and you can I'm going to be traveling with her. It's I mean it's morally, I think the word used was cronyism
uh,
taken to another level.
it's not cronyism. No, I mean, like, I think we're being too kind when we call it cronyism. It is basically preparation for the path to propaganda. Right, that's exactly what's happening here. You're laying out the groundwork
Being
for
aligned is
the
the least of the
propaganda that you're going to
crimes.
do.
Being aligned to the government is the least of his crimes.
No,
Actually, it's the fact that you're working like a guy doing deals.
so
No,
I
they
don't
try
think
to
that.
justify it. They try to justify it. GD Bakshi went on Twitter, I think, yesterday and said,
Huh,
"What is the
Well,
problem?"
well, Kajal,
no, so
really. Really? Is that Socrates
How's
of
the
today? Really? You
justification?
like beards? What? Come on, mustache now? What's going on here? You got some hirsute figure on the face, and what? Come on! Oh God. Okay, go on.
Sorry, in my thinking, right? That I mean, like what Arnab did in this case, right? I mean, like the TRP scam is different. That's fraud and should be looked at appropriately, right?
Yeah.
But in the case of finding out about Pulwama, he didn't do anything wrong. He's a journalist. That's his job. He's a journalist. That's his job, right? But the fact is that I think we're being kind by saying that he did something wrong over here, because what happened is that this is a massive leak of information from the government.
I'm
And
not talking
how?
about him. I'm
No,
talking from their perspective.
yeah.
How the hell did it come out to him?
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Because it's laying the groundwork for the propaganda that they want. Pre-production makes things easier. You can do things more effectively if you can plan it.
I mean, in the Pakistan war room, it will be Imran Khan and two generals. Okay, maybe they'll call
Hmm.
Imran later, but whatever. The point is, there'll be two, three people involved. It can't be more than that. Maybe
And
the
I think
canteen guy
Arnab,
Raju is in the background, and somebody says chai pilado, and then and we will attack at 7:15, and he writes it down quickly and then sends it to Arnab. I don't know. You do the maths, but it's
I
how
think
can you get this information? How can it go out? Then you
Arnab
said, okay,
has
fine. The lesser crime is him giving it out. Then sorry, Kajal, sorry.
I think Arnav has elevated himself in his own head above a normal journalist, Like he actually went and declared war against Imran Khan the next day. I don't know why
Yeah.
a news anchor is declaring war against Pakistan.
Yep. He's his delusions know no bounds, right? I mean,
No,
like
the
that.
thing is, when you try to be morally upright, whether you're leaning right or left, morally upright about how the injustice, social injustice, we call him the Amitabh Bachchan, English Amitabh Bachchan, and these kind of names were given to him. But after some time, when investigation is self-analysis happens and investigation of the self happen, and it turns out that you can't keep up the standards which no human being can, I just think it's just going to get worse and worse, and the karma may turn around and start biting him faster than we think, because
Hmm.
they'll just let him go when it becomes so. I can't think of them protecting him forever. He's anyway run to Delhi, by the way. He doesn't do it from Mumbai anymore.
Uh,
It speaks volumes.
That's yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Also in the chats, a certain AS, the initials AS, kept coming again and again.
We all know who that
Who do
is.
we think? Who could
Yeah.
that be?
Yeah.
With
You want to
one
do an
second.
online poll to see and then join
Yeah,
Munawar
sure.
in where? MP, or you want to do on the.
So I just want to bring it out that a lot of people are making their own versions of the chat on Twitter. So we don't know what's real anymore. Like there's a line going around with Arnav saying, I gave a BJ to AS, which is definitely fake.
Yeah, but that's rubbish. Because clearly all that is not there. But the text of the conversation, I think the way we've seen it on that NDTV website that we saw it on, at least I saw it on, seems fairly coherent and seems very. It makes sense. Like it doesn't look like it's been put together. And like I said, it's very the braggart dialogue. Even Mr. Dasgupta's "Will you help me? Will I help you?" style. It just sounds like a typical day somewhere at Khan Market, two guys chatting. That's for me. But
Yeah.
Mr.
what's
Dasgupta
going to
has
happen?
checked the
They're saying it
hospital.
can't be held in court. WhatsApp cannot be held in court. It can be
Well,
held to investigate. You can use it as a premise to start investigation. This is really odd about the law. And then after that, you can't use it like a recording
why?
in court.
Why? It's communication.
I don't know. This is what they were arguing. I don't know. You got to
That
talk
seems
to
bizarre.
find out
Yeah,
legal
I'll
minds
need
than
to
me.
find out what that is. Yeah, because
Y-
that's bizarre,
Yeah.
right? I mean,
And
like it's the same as using email
But
correspondence,
why don't
isn't
we
it?
all start WhatsApping or not and see what we get? I'll be like, son wants admission into engineering. PM se baat karna bhai.
Exactly. Can you get my son a job at the PM's office?
Arey boss, I only want parking outside Oval. Come on, what is that? Not even a phone call. Raju, the canteen guy, will organize that much for me. Yaar. Damn it. Yeah. So well, let's see how that story goes. Kajal, you want to give a final verdict on it?
yeah, so I was speaking to some guys I know who run a government app, and they said what's important is to match the chat to the actual events. There has to be a correlation because that builds up to evidence.
Hmm.
But how do we know he spoke to Smriti Irani about Das Gupta or to how?
No, no, no.
It's going to be difficult.
So when he's mentioned stuff like tomorrow there will be something happening or this thing, they've actually matched it to what news was happening on those dates at that time.
Hmm.
So that kind of builds like that it's real. Because I asked him, I said, can someone fake it? He said 500 pages matched to the exact events happening at the time would be difficult.
Yeah, and again, I think
Yeah,
that
correct.
this has
Yeah.
been so one. There are tremendous amounts of problems with how this leaked out itself as well, right? Why is
How do you
evidence.
think it leaked out?
Well, it was put into evidence, and evidence was basically then reviewed by people,
Oh,
right? And
let me
should
just
this
say,
not be
so
private?
Maharashtra police not fond of Arnab, and
No,
it
but
falls off the desk, and suddenly reaches Times of India, who also hate him.
That's
was it
Chain of
was
events.
it that? I
I
thought it
don't know.
was.
I'm
they
just
don't know
asking.
yet, but they're assuming that Mumbai police is the one who they leaked it, but it's not sure yet.
So I thought that it leaked from court proceedings. Like it was submitted as
Yes,
evidence
yes,
inside court,
yes,
and then it leaked from there,
yes.
Okay, I
right?
read
And
the
I,
Mumbai police thing.
You think for a sum? You're saying somebody made a little money
No,
on
no,
him?
no, no. I
no,
don't
no,
That
think.
must be
No,
some
no.
interesting stuff
there are
from the
lots of
clerk.
people who hate this guy. Enough people who have motivation to kind of get this out there in that sense, right? But the question is that,
What if Ria's cousin or something is the clerk of the court in that court?
hmm,
I mean, it just takes a small thing like that,
Yep.
yeah,
and some relative of Ria or Sushant Singh Rajput or something couldn't take it anymore.
yeah,
Yes,
so all kinds of things are possible, right? But the question is like, what are
can't
the
believe he's
evidentiary
humoring me.
procedures for maintaining privacy for this kind of stuff, right? Because I mean, like, we don't hear about phone records leaking out, right? I mean, like, and courts are accessing phone records all the time for different things, right? But we never hear about those leaking out. Why? What's it about these WhatsApp chats that are leaking with this degree of regularity? It's really bizarre. I just I don't
Are you
understand.
worried, Amit? What are you hiding?
Honestly, I'm
Huh?
not, because
Have you fixed
I
our
was.
podcast ratings? It can't be any worse. What the hell are you saying?
I wish I could do that. Actually, I should try and
Call
see
up
if there's a way.
Dasgupta now. Get
I
on with
just
it, man.
let me.
Dasgupta's in hospital.
Oh, sorry. Well, but can I be insensitive? Generally, that always happens when they're being interrogated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody's fine till they go to jail, and then suddenly they develop chest pain. It's always chest pain, by the way. It's never like leg pain. It's always chest. I wish it was just like my knees paining, and they just rub Iodex. ठीक हो जाएगा 2 minute में. Judge के सामने जाओ. That never happens. It's oh chest pain, chest pain. One moment the verdict is read. Wow.
Yeah, that's very
But
true.
better practice, Amit. We're being quite. We're on the cutting edge of being rude. There's a Munawar in all of us. We have to
Yes,
kill him,
there is.
keep him down. Oh, you can go back to America now that Biden is there. Within a week or so, everything will be hopefully calm, and you can just go back there.
And do what? I have a podcast
Pontificate
network
about
to
India
run in
from
India.
safe belongings. Take Munawar with you. Employ him. He can work in your house.
Um,
Clean the car, that kind of thing. Labor
Amazing.
is
You want
expensive.
freedom of
Amit,
speech in India, you have to go elsewhere to do it.
Yeah,
uh,
start with
yeah.
that.
Amit, if
Oh,
you were in the US, would you have gone to the inauguration for the inauguration?
We're in pandemic, dude. No.
No. Okay.
but
I mean,
even
like, just simply for
but why
that
would you
reason,
go?
right?
Forget the
Okay.
pandemic. Why
No,
would he go?
I would not go. I'm
Rosanna,
sorry. I'm not that.
Okay. Don't
I,
go.
I, I,
this is like
I
the guys who come to the Bombay Times party who aren't invited. You never want to be there
Hmm.
where nobody cares about you. Never
Yeah.
go there. You go there and people look at you. "Ye kaun hai?" And no, nobody even looks at you. It's even worse. I know. I was that
I,
guy. So don't do that.
yeah. No, also, I mean, like, I'm not that degree of politically active, right? I mean, like, I care about what goes on in
No, I
politics,
think he
but I
was
don't.
meaning he meant that because of this particular year and
Uh,
you getting rid of Trump, would you to show support for democracy, freedom, egalitarianism, fraternity, humanity, just common sense, you
so
know.
I normally don't drink at home. My house is generally
You'll have a
non-alcoholic,
drink, is
but
it?
at 9:30 tonight, a drink will be had.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Say goodbye.
Very cool.
So one drink now, then Munawar gets bailed, 2 drinks then. You're gonna be drunk soon, man.
For Munawar's bill, I'll get a drink in, like, I think, like, after end of February, maybe end of the financial year if I'm lucky. I'm not getting anything. They're
Nice.
after this guy. I mean, like,
Yeah.
they're after him.
But without hearing the case, I mean, you can't just keep him in
But dude, they have no.
They,
He's been in jail for entire
yeah.
2021 for
a
no
month now,
reason, for something
They,
that he might have done.
25
I'm sorry.
days.
I know I keep going back to this, but it just drives me insane,
yeah.
right? This was something that they think he, and the police acknowledges it, that he has not said anything, but we are worried that he might say something. What the fuck? How is that a
So we have
way?
veteran politicians, hate mongers, communal baiters, caste baiters, regional baiters, who are known to say all kinds of things. No one has ever been pre-arrested.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes vans will stand outside and they'll say, "Sir, please, 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 mat karo, mat kaho, mat kaho."
Huh.
That kind of thing. That's the most that happens.
Right.
And this poor guy who speaks in a language only what 60 million people speak. It's not even like 1/10 of the country.
There
Leave
were
it.
60 people there who he was talking to, not the tens of thousands of people that some of these politicians talk to. It's ridiculous.
Really.
Uh,
Kajal, can we go on a hunger strike? Well, how do we show solidarity? See, we
Um,
anyway cut the frame here, so you never know if we're eating or not. No, like
I will.
we won't eat till he's out. Yeah, you can't tell. I'm good.
But
I'm good to go.
I like the way UP police has been made into this bogeyman. Whenever they want to file an FIR, it's in UP. Even for Tandav, the entire there's a team of
Yeah.
UP police who come to Bombay to do the proceedings or
They
whatever.
all like coming to Bombay. Didn't you see how Bihar police came? Then 2 minutes
Yeah.
later, the guy who headed the case, he's standing for elections in Bihar. I mean, they come here to enjoy Gateway of India, Hanging Gardens, Amitabh Bachchan's house, Shah Rukh Khan's house. Oh, he's Muslim. Fine, theek hai. Let's watch it first, then we'll be racist. So they do all the normal sites and then they go back. I'm all for it. Tourism is important for our city. We won't survive without it. Otherwise, what are we left with? People who
No,
spit? No, we
uh,
need tourists.
but what I find so weird about this is, do these people not understand what they're doing to their states? I mean, I don't understand this, right? I mean, like when you,
We were not ready for democracy.
yeah,
Our states were not ready for democracy. People in power who we've elected are not ready for democracy. And some of the bureaucrats actually are the better side of democracy, and some are
yeah,
really not. And that's where we are.
it's just strange. I mean, like I think about this. Does this not have an effect on the investment climate in Madhya Pradesh? This kind of capriciousness, does this not do that? And I mean, like, are they
If
so
they had
happy with what they're?
real egos when it comes to justice, and a sense of what is right or wrong and fair play, then I won't behave like this. It just doesn't make any sense. This is because you're just prejudiced from start to finish. It's your
Yeah.
team or their team, which is okay on the cricket field, like we pointed out earlier, but really isn't when it's humanity. And we have to stop looking at nationalism now. We have to look at it as humanity. It's
No,
just a
but
global world.
it's so here's the thing, right, Cyrus? I mean, like it's kind of sad in some ways, but I mean, like the fact is that you will continue to see additional economic development happen in places, because right now a lot of economic development is dependent on external investments, right? Not all internal this, right? And so you're going to see them continue to happen in the places where they're happening right now: Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu,
Hmm.
Kerala, Gujarat. Places, Gujarat I know has its own this, but Gujarat, they don't do this kind of shit. They don't arrest people like for nuts, nonsense, right? And so I mean, like, these are the places where you'll continue to see economic investment, and you're going to see further
So
and
you're
further
saying we're
kind of,
divided into the
Right.
economic viable states who
yeah.
have some sense of democracy and the less viable states. Is that what you're saying?
And that's get that again is getting, like, those divisions will deepen, right? I mean, like, and the
Where's the improvement in certain states you
yeah.
mentioned before
But
those that you mentioned
can I
in the
say
last few years? I mean, if you look at Bihar and the culture that it came from and what it
Right.
gave the world, and the Magad Empire, and all the great Jain monks and Munis and Buddha, and that whole area, the let's call it Eastern India.
Mhm.
Well, and then now, I mean, it's worse than the way the Greek civilization
Yeah.
fell and where they are now.
can I say
I get that not everybody thinks about this stuff like I do, right? I think that economic
It's a bit arrogant. I like it. Keep going.
no, but, no, I do believe that. I believe, like, if
Don't
you
trumpet me.
dude, you said this at the start, right? I mean, like,
Yeah.
people without jobs are the people who do this kind of bullshit, right? I mean,
Yeah.
like, they're the people who do this, right?
Louts.
And I believe that economic development is, like, the silver bullet, if there is a silver bullet, which there isn't, but if there was one, it's economic development of a region, right? In terms of kind of improving the overall this. And I'm just like, what is wrong with you people? Why are you doing this? Why are you making your state such disasters to operate in?
something?
Yes.
Please. What do you mean? Can I say something? It
So
sounds so sexist. Like three men are not
it
letting you
was.
talk.
It
Start
was.
using MCBC like men do and carry on. Yes.
So another comedian and me were discussing this entire arrest of Munawar thing. Okay, so 10 years back in Gujarat, a Tamil student made some deity, he made a painting which was objectionable to some people. They filed a case against him at that point also. 10 years hence, the case is still going on, and he can't leave the state of Gujarat.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
just saying that this sort of shit has always happened in all states.
Hmm.
It's just that right now the media is biased towards a certain angle because they know people are lapping it up.
Hmm.
But we were never a
No,
very
I think Kajal,
open-minded.
what we get what you're saying, and I agree with it. But I don't think his point is wrong. His point is somewhat correct in the sense that the more economically viable state, the dynamic states of India, will you have a better chance. We still got dark moments in every state, but in the less dynamic states of India, I'm not trying to be insensitive here, but we all know who they are. Unfortunately, there's just too many louts, morons, madmen, and the fanaticism is even more in terms of multitudes. So your chances and percentile of getting screwed by making a silly comment or painting something or whatever become more and more. It happened in Bengal with the cartoonists. It's happened all over. It's not. We can sit and think we'll get
Yeah.
Gujarat, Maharashtra, we'll get it everywhere.
There are examples everywhere for sure, 100%. I mean, like, I would agree with that. And I'm not like, but I just think that some of this, like, I mean, like what you're mentioning right now that you're saying it, I'm remembering that this happened 10 years ago. I didn't know the guy was still stuck in Gujarat, but I do remember remember that this happened, right?
Hmm.
And it is part of the problem, right? And it definitely is part of it's something that needs to be kind of, as a country, if we want to go beyond, like, what other countries are doing, then we need to kind of consider that, like,
See,
as a
we
country.
four talking from our ivory homes with 7 people listening. It's going to take a lot more than that. But I guess
Mm.
we have no choice but to pontificate.
Well, we should talk at least, right? I mean, like, if we're talking, we're
I
talking.
believe it's therapeutic. That's why I abuse every morning. I just put my head out the window and abuse everybody I know. And then I take out all the anger and I'm happy. And of course, they don't talk to me for years. Can we get on with the AMAs?
Let's
It's
do that.
almost
Yes, we're
quarter
at
two.
10:45. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Silvery, पेश करते हैं AMA.
All right. The first one comes in from Vivek Pereira. Vivek has asked,
Hello,
"Hi
Vivek.
Cyrus, Amit, Antariksh, and Kajol. Love the live format. Thanks, Vivek. Since we do everything with the phone, is the mobile phone the most unhygienic device, thereby making our hands also extremely unhygienic?"
But Amit, haven't you got into that whole story about
Hmm.
what's it, surface cleansing, not that big an issue? Or
It's
you
not.
can't catch
So
COVID?
yeah, yeah. Fomites are not as much of an issue as we thought. They're like,
Yeah,
the stuff there is stuck. But
yeah.
uh,
Otherwise, yes.
but yeah, mobile
Bacteria
phones are
generally.
disgusting.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you do, like,
I
when you do, like, that luminol type stuff on it, they are
yeah.
disgusting.
I actually lick mine.
Which probably cleans it compared to how disgusting it actually is.
And then I ask people to listen to my music,
No.
like this. So I do my bit to keep India a happy and safe place. But it's a good point. I think Vivek's point, of just for a second to hop on it, is that we don't sometimes we think about the big pictures and we miss the small picture, which is equally dangerous. So while you're worried about masks and standing away from each other and all that, because I'm told there's so many more viruses. Do you think we're going to go mad now as a world? As COVID ends, they're going to find, forget bird flu, but the millions of others which we haven't discovered yet. And then
Us-
they'll say phone will be responsible for a lot of them because you're always on it, touching it, sharing it.
Well, the Arctic layer is melting. So, yeah, we're going to be
we
having a
have-
lot of these million-year-old
So what are we
viruses
getting
coming.
Munawar out for? There's nothing to look forward to. Go back in. Hmm.
So, as Kajol mentioned, Arctic layer is melting. We are also deforesting, so that means animals
Polar
are
bear
getting
has
out
no
of
food. Not enough.
their environments, right?
And that's
And
anti-white, if I can ever say it. Polar bear, what's he done? Color of his fur? Okay, that's mean. I love polar bears. But it's
uh,
really sad. They have no food, really. Can't we give them some of our people? Dynamic state? Yeah, nah, dynamic state. आप बताओ.
All right.
Really, we should just get ferociously evil now. There is no, let's join them. We can't win. Let's just join them. Yeah. Sorry.
All right. Next
Next
one.
one.
next one,
Next
yeah.
one comes in. This is just a comment. He says, Gandhar Parkhi says, "I'm a big fan of Lol Rakshak. Her tweets are hilarious."
There
All
you
right.
go.
Thank
Uh,
you.
We've never got that on our show. 6 years. Thanks for coming, Kajal.
No, but she actually takes trouble on her tweets. No, her tweets are just like, "Hey, watch our show at this time." She's actually, like, thinks about it and writes something funny. She's in the newspaper more than you are. I'll say that.
100%.
Yeah.
I'm an old performer from like Rome, the Senate or something. I need lots of people and I talk to them. I can't sit all day. I'm telling you, my honest opinion, this is an introvert's medium. Us extroverts are going to suffer. We just don't want to do anything. We need people. We need our blood to rush. We need to do our thing. Just naturally, that's the way we're programmed. But the Kunals, I don't know if Kajal, maybe I thought she was more extroverted, but maybe she's in between. But the introverts go mad because they suddenly find voice, reason, fear goes out of the window, and then they start becoming bold. And some of the idiots I grew up with who never said a word towards politics are suddenly pontificating about politics. And that's it. So I got nowhere to go. I'll just go back to the world I come from, where bearded men like me can live in peace. Srinivasan Jain, Cyrus Brocha, Aristotle, Socrates, uh, Genghis Khan, also poultry. Paid up for that with the sword. Yeah.
Should we do one more?
Let's do one more.
Okay. Sachin Jangam asks, Cyrus, would you be gracious enough to preside over the Republic Day parade as chief guest?
Well, Australia shares the same day. I'll go there. I think you might be welcome. You might be welcome there. No, I'll tell you my problem with it. I like all these occasions. I think things should be celebrated, but I don't like the sun. I do not like the sun. And I cannot stay anywhere in the sun for long. That's why I don't watch cricket in the day anymore. But I can't. I mean, in England, I found the sun in bloody Surrey Oval. We're sitting there, and in 20 minutes, I'm looking at the kids paying all that money to sit and see the final India versus Pakistan Champions Trophy 2017. And in 15 minutes, I got only Indians and Pakistanis around me and full sun. I'm like, what? What the hell? You leave India, you come to London, you go to Surrey, and it's only our people and our sun. What the hell? I mean, it was a real rip-off. So no, if they do it in the night, I think I'll. Oh, that's I can't.
Okay,
Like
cool.
four-ish. Can you discuss with the people? Change it to 4. And it's too
Yeah,
much
yeah.
saluting. I remember, I'm half Catholic, but I can't go to midnight mass because when I was young, my mom used to take me. You have to get up, you have to sit down, you have to get up, you have to sit down. Everything is great. Sing carols, feel happy, and that all is great. And then suddenly, and peace be with you, up, and peace be with you, down, and peace be with you. I'm like, get peace. I can't do this anymore. I took Kunal once after he did it twice and he sat down, and then all these people turned and looked at him with dirty looks because, but my back is paining. So much for Christmas. Yeah.
All
Okay, I
right,
think we're.
so
Yeah.
we can ask Arnav to text the Prime Minister's office to change the timing of the Republic Day parade to 4 p.m. in the evening.
The
Works
only
out.
way I can get in is through Raju, the canteen guy. I can't see any other way. If he used to work in Swiggy and cut a deal with him or something like that. Yeah, I can't wait for the Swiggy guys to now do deals on their own. Give you half the food from somebody else. Things like that. It's the Indian way. There's got to be a way to sub-navigate. Little jugad. Kajol, anything you want to say as we end the show because it's way past the dog time.
I just want to go through some comments because a lot of people think that Silvery looks like fair Srinivasan Jain. So
Oh,
yeah.
no, that's racism because of the beard. But I wonder, do you think, Amit, you think features wise, look at the
Uh,
beard and
well,
that look.
it's the beard and the glasses and the hair and all that, right? I don't think the face looks like him.
I
I've seen Antariksh without the beard, right? Most of these people have
huh?
not seen him without the beard.
Oh,
Yeah, like
I've
without the
seen
full
him.
beard. I've always
I've
Yeah.
had
seen
like
him
a
without
French beard.
anything, just a belt. He's pretty. He's a
Okay.
pretty boy. Yeah, could land you in jail one day. Keep the beard, whatever happens. Yeah.
Hey man, I'm better looking than this guy. Huh? What is this?
You
Awesome.
just found out what Srinivasan Jain
We
looked like?
just found
Yeah,
out. We
I
have to
did no
You think
Google
idea.
it.
He's following NDTV day in and day out?
I'm
Well,
not.
He didn't even follow Nidhi Razdan properly. There's
No,
no
I
chance
know
for
the
him.
guy. I didn't know his name. I know the guy. I've
But
seen him, but yeah.
but you think you're better looking than him?
I mean, duh. Come
Hey,
on.
one second. Forget me and Amit. We are heterosexual men. We don't count. We'll talk rubbish. Let the lady decide. Okay?
Yeah.
Let the lady decide because there'll be no. I mean, you'll be open, right? You'll be honest.
Yeah.
Who's better looking, Silvery or Srinivasan Jain?
Okay. Silvery, while I love you as a friend and comic, I'm sorry. But
Silvery,
Srinivasan Jain for the win. Yeah.
Silvery. मैच रेफरी का
Okay.
डिसीजन फाइनल
Yeah.
है.
Cool. It's fine. What are you gonna do?
Sorry, beta.
Yeah. I'll just go
Age,
kill myself after this.
age is more beauty. Age is more beauty. Okay, chalo.
Thank you so
Bye,
much.
guys.
all right.
See you whenever. Bye, Kajal.
Bye, Cyrus. Bye, Amit. Bye,
Bye.
Silvery.
Bye.